Hello, welcome all of you. Today our lesson is files and folder. So this video I will explain about folders. Why we use the folders, what are the importance of folders, and what are the file folder operations. Now let's see one by one. So, folder is like a file cabinet. Now, you can assume your file cupboard. So, one row has a school books, another row has your tuition books, then another row you can use to homework books. So, it's like a file cabinet because using folders we can easily manage our files. So look at this. You can see the several files like this. So if you have a row by row and keep the files in this row and categorize these things, you can very easily manage your document because you are using the folders. So here with a simple definition of folder. Folders are used to keep files in order. Folder helps in storing and organizing file and data in the computer. Because sometimes we can use the several users for your computers. One user keeps their files in their folder. Another user, they can keep their files in their folders. So then they can, if they want to find some files or folders, so they can easily find their files because their files inside their folders. So look at this. It is a way to organize computer files. So you can store your Word file inside the Word folder, and Excel files you can keep to Excel folder. Okay, look at this. Here with the folder structure, you can see the main folder like this. Inside this main folder, 3 subfolders there. So those are called the subfolders because these folders placed inside the main folder. So here with the example, the school is a main folder. Under that school folder, so create another 3 folders called to teacher, staff and others. So under the teacher folder, another subfolder like a student. So here with the folder structure, the meaning is we can use the folder for school, and then under that school folder we can again categorize teachers, staff and others. So those documents we can save inside this folder. Here with the part of that student folder. So we can call the under that school folder, inside the teach folder we can see the student folder. So another name we can call to directories folder. Normally Windows operating system we can call to folders, but under DOS operating system we can call to directories. So both directories and folders are same. So we can call to folder or directory, it's same like a folders. Now let's see how to create a folders. You can use the several methods for create folder. The first things, so here you can see this image. Right click on your desktop, or you can go to your drive, CODO. So whatever the drive, you can go to the drive first. Then you can right click, not the left, right click, then select the new, here new, then click on folder. So after that you can see the new folder like this with here blank, because now you can enter the folder name in here and press enter key. Now let's see how to do this. Right, now I am in my desktop. You can click the right button and go to the new. Then after that you can see the folder. Click on this folder. Then here within the folder you can delete this name and enter the new name. So this is my folder. So if you want to create a folder inside a drive, you can go to the drive first. Using this PC icon, open the drive. So I want to create a folder inside the E, open the E drive. Then again you can go to right click, new, and click on folder. So you can, so I am renaming this folder like 100. Okay. Now another facility is in this window. So you can see on here. Then look at this new folder. So then you can see the shortcut key, how to create a new folder. Using your keyboard shortcut key Control Shift and N. So then you are pressing that Control and Shift and N. So we can create a new folder. So if you are clicking the new folder button here, I have a new folder now. So then again you can enter your name or folder name and press enter key. So this is easiest way to create folders. I told you you have several methods for use create folder. Here we do another method. So last time I show you how to do this. You can go to your drive or your main folder. Main folder means sometimes you want to create a subfolder. Subfolders mean you can create a subfolders inside the main folders, right? So that's why here open drive or main folder. You can go to that drive or folder. Then again same steps. Click on new folder button. Here I told you now. So click on new folder button and then type the folder name and press enter key. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut key like this. Now let's see how to delete the folder. Delete means if you are not using folders or unnecessary folders in there, you can delete the folders. So two methods here. You can select the folder, click right button and select delete. Or you can select the folder and press keyboard delete key. Then you can delete the folder. Now let's see how to delete the folders. Now here with my folder, I want to delete the 100 folder. So right click on folder and go to the delete. Click the delete, then it's lost. Another method I told you, select the folder and press keyboard delete key. So it is going to the recycle bin. Okay, now let's see how to rename the folder. Rename means you can change your folder names. Here with the steps. You can select your folder, then right click on the folder. After the menu, you can select rename folder. Then you can see the cursor in there. Delete the old name and type the new folder name. Or you can double click on folder name, not on the folder name. So again you can take the cursor on there, delete the old name and type the new name. Let's see how to do this. Okay, now I am going to rename my details folder. My old name was like a my details, but I want to change this folder name as ICT. So first method, you can select the folder and right click, go to the rename. Then you can type the new name. So my new name is ICT. So press enter key, then you can apply the new name. Okay, here with another commands under the file folder operation. Now let's see how to cut, copy and paste command. So difference between copy and cut command. Copy means you can take a file or folder, copy like a duplicate. It is only the copy. But cut command you can use to one or more folders you can move to one place to another place. So you can move it. So that's why we can use the cut command. Now here with the steps. First of all, you have to select the files or folders you wish to copy or cut. It may be a cut, it may be a copy. So here, this is the example. So you have to select which files or folders you want to copy or move. Then after, right click on it. Right click on it, then select cut or copy. So if you want to move this folder to another place, you can click the cut. Now you want to take a copy, so you can click the copy. Then after, you can apply the cut or copy command. Then you have to paste that selected files or folder. Then open your drive or another folder you wish to paste that selected cut or copy files. So then you can again right click on there. It may be a drive, it may be a folder. So click paste. That shortcut key is a paste, Ctrl V. You can use your keyboard shortcut key or you can use the mouse. Now let's see how to do this. Now look at this screen. You can see the several files and folders there. Now here with my example, I want to copy this 100 folder to E drive. Now look at this displayed folder placed on the document. But I want to move this folder to E drive. Now let's see how to do this. First of all, you can select your folder or file. So if you want to copy or move to several files, you can use your keyboard Control key and select one by one. Select one by one. Then right click. So I want to take a copy. So that's why I am click on the copy. So you can, if you want to move these items, you can click the cut. So now I am click the copy. Then I want to take these copies to the E drive. Then you can check your drive, or so if you want to paste that items to another folder, you can go to that folder and open it. But this time I want to paste it inside E drive. Now here it's okay. Open E drive and right click, click paste, or keyboard shortcut key is a Ctrl V. Now here with my selected items, it's here to copy. Okay, now I think you have an idea about the folder and how to create folder, how to rename folder, how to delete folder, and how to cut, copy, paste folder. Now I think you can do this. Now enjoy with this practical. So then Let's meet again a new video. Thank you.